Hello everyone, this is Sarabjit Kaur and today we are going to start the World Around Us unit. Under it there is three topics: desert organisms, amazing birds and plants. So firstly we will discuss about the desert organisms. Desert organisms are the organism which grows in the desert, which survives in the desert. They need heat and scarcity of the water over there. That is why they grow over there only, they survive over there only. So firstly there is this tree got its name from the Mormon pioneers who thought that the tree reminded them of a prophet from the Old Testament of the Bible. So this tree reminded them, the prophet, Mormon pioneers, the prophet of them. That is why it is known as the Joshua tree. Here you can see the picture. It reminded them, the Mormon pioneers, about their prophet. The next one is crimson hedgehog cactus. This tree has red flowers, deep red flowers, and it grows in clumps. That clumps means that grows together, and it has a cup shape. These are, here you can see these are the red, deep red flowers, and it grows in a clumps, and these are in cup shapes. Next one is this variety of cactus has a smooth and waxy skin, and it's covered with 2-inch spines found on the plant's vertical ribs. It can absorb a lot of water as its ribs can expand. So it has a 2-inch spines. That means it is a sharp point like needles. Here you can see these are sharp point like needles, and it is known as saguaro cactus. The next one is this desert animal has a distinct fearsome growl. Fearsome growl, that animal produces a sound in when he is angry. That is a fearsome growl. It is in the throat. The color of its fur is mixture of white, brown, black and orange. So its fur, its color is white, brown, black and orange. So it is known as desert bobcat. Here you can see the picture. Next one is this desert animal has a tan coated mixed with hair of rusty brown and grey color, and its color helps them to camouflage. That means it match with the surroundings. That is why it can hunt to anyone. It helps the camouflage, that quality of that animal help him to hunting. In hunting, it is a coati. Here you can see the picture. Next one is armadillo lizard. When threatened, the animal adopt a curious defensive posture. Here you can see that it creates a defensive posture when there is a threatening. It creates a defensive posture for protecting himself, and spiny ring to predator and protecting the softer vulnerable belly area. So it is a armadillo lizard. This is all about the desert organism. The next one is amazing birds. Birds, that you can see birds all around earth, and these are the distinct by their features, characteristics and food habits. So today we will discuss about the amazing birds, that how they differ from the others. First one is golden eagle. Here you can see the picture. Golden eagle. It is a majestic bird of prey. That means it hunts, and it is a majestic, that is a bigger one, and it hunts rabbits, marmots. Marmots means the great squirrels and ground squirrels. This golden eagle hunts the rabbits and marmots, and it is the majestic one. Next one is a oven bird. Here, oven bird. So it made its nest in the mud. It is a quality of this bird that it made its nest in the mud, and it is a distinct thing. It is a quality of her that it is a flair for nest building. It is her natural ability. Next is the largest species of this bird cooperate to drive fish into each other's bill. That is a pelican. Next one is it flies over the sea. chases other birds and forces them to drop their food. So it chases over the sea and try to catch his hunt to his prey, by which he or she can eat their food. It is a frigate bird. Next one is, it is one of the tiniest bird. It weighs less than 35 grams. Its weight is only 35 gram, and it is the tiniest bird. It is the quality that it is the tiniest and its weight is 35 gram. That is a island rail. Here it is picture. Next one is it is the heaviest flying bird. Heaviest flying bird is a great bustard. It is the heaviest one and it flies also. Great bustard. Next one is kakapo. That is it is a flightless endangered bird. It is a endangered, that means the birds which are in danger, those are known as endangered bird, and it is a flightless. It does not fly and it feeds only on the juices and the plants extracts. That is a kakapo. Next one is red-billed hornbill. It builds a wall across its nest in which he or she feeds its chicks. Whenever there is a chicks of this bird, he make a wall over there in his nest and there he feeds them. That is a red-billed hornbill. Billed means beak, so its beak is red, so red-billed hornbill. So this is all about the amazing birds. The next one topic is plants. Plants give us many things, like it gives us fruit, medicines, gums, timber, many things they provide us. So today we will discuss about the plants, how their qualities, how they are also different from others. First one is, this tree has heart-shaped leaf and it is sacred to the Hindus. You have seen in your surroundings that the tree which has heart-shaped leaves, and Hindus, it is sacred for the Hindus. Which tree it can be? Can you guess? So it is a pipal tree. You can see in your surroundings. In this way, there is some questions. You have to do it yourself and solve it on your book. These which are the internal questions, do it on your notebook also and write the definitions of the desert organism, amazing birds and plants on your notebooks. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in the comment section box. Thanks and have a nice day.